Hey guys, welcome to our channel CAT Solution. Today we will learn to calculate weight of any part in CATIA V5 software. So let's get started. We have this flower pot. So we'll try to calculate weight for this. First of all, apply the material to the model. Go to this option, apply material. Now go to metals and I'm gonna apply steel material. So before that, select the part, gear part, select material. You can select any of them and simply click apply. Now your material is applied here. Go to this option measure inertia. Here you can find all the details like volume, area and mass, density of selected materials also along with the inertia as well. So in this way you can calculate the weight of any part in CATIA software. Thank you for watching.